Well, hello, Wurzel Gummidge Dan here, and today I'm going to be harvesting a carrot. So something's actually eating this carrot. Now this is variety Championship stock, and the plan was to leave this to get as big as possible, because why not? So Championship stock can make a really good sized carrot. So if you want to know where I got the seeds from, I got them from Foster's Seeds, okay? And they've turned out to be very good seeds indeed, but probably not going to get as big as I wanted it to get because something is eating it. So let's harvest it and see just what happens. Okay, so here we are. Now, this hat's going to keep blowing off, isn't it? So let's start gently pulling this carrot and see what we've got. Gentle wiggle there. Well, there we go. So there are quite a few more in here actually. So I'll probably just leave these a little bit longer. Let them get a bit bigger. So there you go, it's just how the cookie crumbles. So had this been left, it would have got a bit bigger. It would have been about here, but that's a good foot long, isn't it? Something like that. Can eat the tops as well. That's the bit there, look, where something's eating it. That's a real shame, but this is what happens, you know. Sometimes you try and grow things and other things eat them as well as you, and that's just the reality. But probably would have got that much extra, so that would have been quite a fair sized carrot. But never mind, next year I will be growing Championship stock again, so not too bad. The 20th of August now, and I worked out what caused the damage to the top of this. I actually saw it. On closer inspection, it was woodlouse, you know. So there we are. So I took the top off, and that's the carrot. Now I noticed actually that other carrots over there are getting eaten by woodlice as well. I've actually pulled one. So let's have a look, and I'm probably going to be taking up the whole lot this evening as well. So as we go over here, we'll take a time to look at the lovely sunflowers whilst we're here. Now, so we'll go down here, and this is one I've pulled a moment ago. So there we go, look at that, you can see where that's been eaten. Now that's a nice sized carrot. That'll be very easy to prepare for meals, which is always a bonus. So we'll have a look at what we've got here. So let's have these all up. So we'll start with this one here. Oh well, that was good, broke that one off. Casual Dan gardening, I don't want any more to break, so just going to give these a little bit of water just to soften the old growing medium up a little bit, and going to take more care. So let's see what we've got here. Nice little bunch grouping here. Well, we'll definitely go with this yield of carrots here. I mean, could it be better? Yes. Could it be worse? Absolutely yes. So some good food here, good meals. Carrots are incredibly good for you, beta carotene, etc, etc. Many of you are aware of the health benefits of eating carrots, but if you're not, have a look. There's many. They're a good thing to eat. So yeah, let's rock and roll with that. Can eat the tops as well. They're very nutritious. Next year we'll see what we end up with. Next year I might focus on a little more detailed project on the growing of carrots. Many of you have seen I've grown carrots in containers before, but I might sort of expand the project really a bit, because I do enjoy growing carrots, and they're always a good thing to eat. They're not that difficult to grow. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that. See you soon.